That AV3 file is an Avast quarantine container. Suspicious files that your antivirus has isolated and locked away to protect your system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage, restore, or analyze these quarantine file archives. Here's a professional insight. For those AV3 files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. AV3 files are quarantine archive files, created by Avast Antivirus software, storing detected malware and suspicious files in an encrypted, isolated format. They preserve potentially dangerous files for review, while preventing execution, protecting the system from infection. Avast AV3 files use an encrypted binary container format, storing the quarantine file content alongside metadata, including original file path, detection name scan date, and threat severity classification. They are managed through Avast's Virus Chest Quarantine interface. The common standard viewer for AV3 is typically Avast Antivirus from Avast software. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows shows only basic attributes, so opening the file requires the correct key or decoding software. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the AV3 file and hit Open With. Launch it using Avast Antivirus if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. If the AV3 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent AV3 problem. First, viewing quarantine files. Open Avast and navigate to Protection, then Virus Chest. The interface displays all quarantine files with detection names, original locations, file sizes, and quarantine dates. Review entries to identify potential false positive detections that may need restoration. Next, restoring files. If a quarantine file is a false positive, select it in the Avast Virus Chest and click Restore. The file returns to its original location. Add the file path to Avast's exceptions list under Settings, then General, then Exceptions to prevent future false positive quarantine. Finally, deleting quarantine files. Select entries in Avast's Virus Chest and click Delete to permanently destroy quarantine malware. This frees disk space consumed by the encrypted quarantine archives. Regularly clean the virus chest to remove old quarantine entries that are no longer needed for analysis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.